Hey, hey, hey! Starting today, this is the only mayonnaise you'll ever make. One clean, tall jar or any vertical container. 2 eggs. Can you make mayonnaise with just egg yolks? Absolutely. Can you make mayonnaise with whole eggs? Why not? 1 full teaspoon of your favorite mustard. The juice of 1/4 of a lemon. Salt, pepper, and a whole lot of oil, about 200 milliliters of oil for every egg you're using. This is it. Blender now. Any vertical blender that you decide to use, it's absolutely fine. Look at this. Pulse at the beginning. And then vertical moves. This is it. Creamy mayonnaise, homemade in no time. Yeah!